In this video we will learn short essay on Holi. Holi is a colorful and important festival in India. It is celebrated every year on the full moon day of March Falguna month. Many myths and legends are connected with Holi. People celebrate it as a 2 days festival. First day, as Holika Dahan, and second day, as colorful Holi. At Holika Dahan, they burn a heap of sticks, straws and coding cakes lying in the mid of streets in the late evening or night. Next day, they celebrate as a colorful Holi by playing colors with friends, family members and neighbors. People play with water guns, pitkaris, and water balloons to make Holi more colorful. At some places, there is a ritual of drinking thandai as cold drink. People celebrate by distributing delicious dishes and sweets. It is the happiest festival especially for the kids as they get new clothes and delicious recipes. Holi is the symbol of unity, harmony, and brotherhood. Thank you.